This is part 3. We should have water on the hill any moment. It's what they call it when the ship connects and starts pumping the sand water mixture up on the beach. These are the numbers for today. Can't see the moon anymore because of all the moisture in the air. There we've got the water on the hill right now. The stream of water moving towards us. Water and sand. There's the water tower that has been equipped with a support system for increased technology, more powerful wireless that'll be activated soon. It's coming in. High tide around 9/11. And then his bulldozer right there will, they're creating a bit of a washboard surface to cause the sand to fall out. Getting ready for the next load as well. It's all part of the situation. And they work around the clock, 24/7. Just like me with a digital footprint. That's why I want people to hashtag my name. You can see what I do around the clock when I post things. I don't have any chat bots employed to like people's comments or respond to them. I don't know that I ever will. I want to keep it personal because this is very personal to me. That's why I say you can call me anytime. I can feel the ground shaking right now. Standing this close to a bulldozer is very unusual. At a typical construction site, it would not be permitted, would not be allowed. These have special tracks on them that have much deeper teeth on the treads. It's time to show you some beams. Upside down bulldozers. And water. That exists only in the imagination. It's not possible. Now we notice quite a bit more sand in the water. God set the boundaries of the waters. That's why trillions of dollars of structures are built all around the face of the earth, the edge of the earth. This is the edge of North America in South Carolina. Oh, let's show the upside down fisherman there. That should be interesting. It's all interesting. It's all not possible, except in the imagination. I don't need to run any laser tests. The tests have been done. The proof has been compiled to prove the non-movement nature of our Earth. That's biblical. That's reality. Up close and personal of the reality of the world we live in shows compelling evidence that the globe is not even possible. So I'm not going to participate in any supposed flat earth proofs that are promoted and put together by somebody else. Beyond the curve, they will create content, Nat Geo. When these official systems of propaganda are unleashed on humanity, even Logan Paul with his mockumentary, I said to Logan, I'm gonna jump in front of the camera here with a bit better lighting. I want to tell you something. He had one of my stickers on his forehead, and I said, Logan, what are you gonna do when the truth is right in front of you? We saw what he did. He folded like a house of cards. It's not exposing the truth. He's part of the deception. Logan is. Him and Shane Dawson and their editors are Disney and producers, the content they produce. Disney is a deceptive organization and was part of the disinformation of the initial creation of the space program. There's my new friend Sam, upside down. That's Donald too. He lives in North Carolina, comes out and plays in this big sandbox. The dozer operators, typically heavy equipment operators, are running 3 8-hour shifts, and then the support crew runs a 12-hour, typically, round the clock. So when we've got the bubbles coming out of the sand, it's further evidence of water seeking its level. It's displacing the air in the sand. My feet will sink right on in there. If a bulldozer were to run over the sand, or I step on where it's been, I'm not going to sink in to that. We've got the dirtier looking sand. They've gone out several miles to take sand and shark teeth and shells off the bottom of the ocean. They'll pump them up right here and people will be looking for them. I'll show you that. There they are, looking for those shells, coming from all over the world. another segment of a beam showing the impossibility of upside down people. Doesn't that look silly? Do you believe that? Do you believe that there's people upside down walking in relationship to other people? It's not possible. It's not reality. Neither is Santa Claus and flying freaking reindeer. Most of us bought that. Upside down fishermen? No. Upside down buildings? No, none of it. If you believe it, you're deceived. I know that. How about that? Does that piss you off to have me say you're deceived? I don't care. I actually do care for you. It doesn't affect me as far as what I'll keep doing. So this is the proper direction. Oh, joggers upside down. That looks, that's meme worthy. Here we go. She's got a good stride coming this way. Does that look possible? How about that? None of it. We walk vertically. You can walk on you can run, walk, jog on a slope, and you're going to be mostly vertical. When our equilibrium is off, like with an ear infection, we get dizzy. I get dizzy at an amusement park if I get on a tilt-a-whirl. We aren't spinning, we aren't wobbling or gyrating. The earth doesn't move. Whether you like it and or agree with it or not. About the truth, Pontius Pilate asked Jesus when he was on trial, what is truth? The embodiment of truth was standing right in front of him. And he was about to have the creator of all that we see, the Almighty, he was going to have him crucified. How about that? And he did. Yeah, when I tip this, the bubble will go out of the center. It's just what it does. I'm going to get myself in for you. So I can either move down or up. I'm going to choose up, right where those folks are. Hey, good to see you. Already. Can you wear shorts or not to code? I might want steel toes, but shorts would work. So they're moving the line down. I just opted to go up a bit. Beach Services are here to put out umbrellas. They're going to move, I believe he said, 400 feet down. You can look up buoyancy. Heavier than falls, lighter than floats. That's how it actually works. That's real science. Gravity, as we're explained, is science fiction. This is gravity. I don't care how forcefully Neil deGrasse Tyson says it. Gravity is a deception. Buoyancy is the reality. Does that look even possible? Of course not. It's not reality. That's reality. This is the world we actually live in. Up and down, not upside down. It's hard to film it, but it's worth it. I want to show you just how ridiculous it is. I'll go right to the edge of North America here, right on the edge of this construction site, right on the edge of reality, showing you a world that's truly amazing, an upside-down world that exists only in the imagination. Let that sink in. Reality exposes the impossibility of the globe. Water doesn't stick to an external shape. It'll move all around the sand. It'll knock it down. They'll press the water out of it with a diesel electric cat. That one's a diesel only. The rest of these are diesel electric. The same power plant type of system on a locomotive, the D7E diesel electric. My dad sold steel commercially to manufacturers that made attachments that would go on cats. Caterpillar wanted my dad to work for him. He wanted to stay in the Midwest, in Wisconsin, in the Fox Valley where we lived, where I raced motocross. I had my first job carrying buckets of milk on the farm and shoveling manure. Some may think I'm still shoveling it. I got to tell you, I'm glad to be a free man sharing a message to set other people free. Need to be born again to even see the kingdom of heaven. That's the most important reality.